Bitcoin (BTC) can, very easily, hit $50,000 during 2020. In an interview with Bloomberg in Berlin on January 3, Anthony Trenchev, head of Bitcoin lending platform Nexo.io, said Bitcoin price growth since its inception was almost unlike anything ever seen. Trenchev: Bitcoin is an incredible asset. It's been an incredible asset uncorrelated to the overall market, he told the network. Trenchev added Bitcoin's journey to up to $20,000 was reminiscent of German hyperinflation after the First World War. It delivers systematic asymmetric returns, and the only thing that we have seen close to anything like this has been the rise of the US dollar against the German Papiermark in the 1920s. Asked how much higher BTC USD could go this year, Trenchev predicted $50,000, in line with CNBC host Joe Kernan, who last July said the pair would hit $55,000 around the time of Bitcoin's May 2020 block reward halving. BTC cracks $7,300 on Iran uncertainty. Trenchev's comments came as Bitcoin began edging up against the dollar on Friday, despite a raft of recent warnings that downward price action would continue. BTC USD delivered 24-hour gains of 2.5% and at press time had broken $7,300. As Cointelegraph reported, the action followed renewed geopolitical uncertainty after the U.S. President Donald Trump ordered an attack, which killed a senior Iranian general in the Iraqi capital, Baghdad. Longer term, however, analysts still envisage Bitcoin going lower in Q1 before reversing upwards. The halving, long awaited by many investors, should catalyze the bullish U-turn, they say. Europol official has confirmed that transactions conducted using the privacy-centric cryptocurrency Monero (XMR) can't be traced, despite extensive research. According to Jarek Jakubczyk, a strategy analyst at Europol, transactions conducted using the Monero blockchain aren't traceable. Jakubczyk's words were shared in a webinar from Blockchain Alliance, dedicated to the performance of privacy-centric cryptocurrencies. He said, since the suspect used a combination of Tor and Monero, we could not trace the funds. We could not trace the IP addresses. Which means, we hit the end of the road. He added that the transactions were initially traced on the Bitcoin blockchain and were visible, adding, that's why we were able to get reasonably far. As soon as the funds moved from BTC to XMR, however, he noted, that was the point where the investigation ended. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have a public blockchain anyone can access to look into conducted transactions and addresses behind them, this information is confidential on the Monero blockchain.